Alright, so I'm still in LA. I'm not in the Philippines. And look where I am. I'll show you outside. That's Mr. Jollibee himself. And this is Jollibee in LA, California. You can see the menu, it's almost the same. We just ordered something to go. I got the chicken sandwich actually. But they got the chicken joy. It's all pretty much the same. Spaghetti, the burgers. All right, so here we are at the LA Chargers Stadium. Pretty cool stadium.
That's complete to number 30, Dustin.
Maybe one of these days we can go.
That's cool.
Because my brother used to be a manager here.
At the McDonald's?
Yes.
Wow.
Or he was
That's like the second McDonald's made.
they removed it.
So right now we're driving past Tony Stark's house in the Avengers or Iron Man. That's the house that they used. That's cool. You want to guess that we're in the USA right now? Look at all this. It looks like we're in a Filipino store in the Philippines. Look at this. Philippines. We got banana cube,
Salamat po.
pineapple cheese strudel, Turon, lumpia, nice. Then outside they're selling dried fish.
Okay lang po.
$10 po isa.
On soft and crunchy, yummy, cooked already. So here's the menu.
Alin po sa inyo? Dalawa nito.
Fried poussette.
Squid.
Squid, alright.
Like raw.
Raw squid, wow.
Some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures. futuristic flying cars from Back to the Future 2. The Lightstar Pulse, the Ford Edsel, and the Ford Probe. The Flintstones cars are made mostly out of fiberglass, not real rocks. That would be really heavy. And our newest addition to the lineup is the Ford Anglia from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, a different kind of flying car. Now, even other modes of transportation can be considered picture cars. It's not just literal cars. Boats totally count. That's why we have the Crawdaddy from Jordan Peele's Us. You'll notice some fake blood on the back. That's from a scene in the film where Winston Duke fought a version of himself on the boat. And then this big tank is from Transformers. It's made mostly out of wood, just painted to look like metal, so it doesn't do anything. So picture cars don't have to be drivable necessarily. It just depends on what the filmmaker needs, what a scene calls for. Sometimes they do need to be real cars, like a lot of the Fast and Furious ones. The second film in the franchise was The Lost World, and the camouflage RV coming up on the left was in that film. That was the Mobile Lab. It's also made mostly out of wood. It was featured in one scene where it almost goes over the edge of a cliff in a jungle. So it's a lot lighter than a real RV would be to use in a stunt scene like that. So a wooden picture car in that instance made more sense. Oh, we also have real life dinosaurs. They like to spit. They're very obnoxious. Now here's a scene from The Lost World that features the mobile lab we just saw. Here, it looks like the lab is going off the edge of a cliff in a jungle. This is really just a parking garage on the front lawn of our studio. We never left the lot to film this scene. And the rain in this scene would not have been real either. The rain would have been created through weather effects, a very important element of movie making. Even if it's really raining, we have to use fake rain for filmmaking purposes. I'll explain why in a second. First, though, we're heading into Old Mexico. These sets were featured in the fourth Indiana Jones film, and Academy Award winner Lady Gaga filmed a music video for her son Judas here. But today we're going to stop in Old Mexico and enjoy a fake thunderstorm, courtesy of weather effects. So we've got our thunder and our lightning to start. And then we'll get the rain to go with it in a moment. And we have a thunderstorm. But there's actual clouds in the sky today, so it feels kind of realistic, right? Unless you can see where the rain is coming from.
Yeah.
Some of you probably can't. Sprinklers, yeah.
It's like a
The rain's
fiesta
coming
in
out
the
of
Philippines.
sprinklers.
They're called,
They shoot the rain
sunshine.
up a little, so it falls a little more slowly than real rain will fall. Real rain moves too fast. You can't really see it clearly on camera. Sometimes it's just invisible on camera. That's why even if it's really raining, we have to use fake rain for filmmaking purposes. The lightning flashes are coming from strobe lights that are hidden from view. Oh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. That looks like a flash flood. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. That's our flash flood. You know who got closer to it than we just did? Lady Gaga, when she filmed her music video here. She stood out there and let the flash flood wash her away for one of the shots in the video. She had a stunt double that was going to do it, and at the last minute, she did it herself. She was fine. She's a total pro. That is a real plane. It was a retired Boeing 747, and we'll hear from Steven and production designer Rick Carter. They'll talk a little more about the set.
Is perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Stephen.
And so, again, to sit down to talk about Florida, well, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood?
That's a real plane.
This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the winter and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this holiday phase, Golden Rush TNT has a sitters for summer.
Autobots transform and roll out. Let's roll! I have returned.
For the champion of the air, Buckley Knights! The Queen! Champions even now grace the castles of kings and queens throughout the world. Performing for you the victory march celebrated by returning heroes, the Spanish Walk. Oh yes, yes, you're here now. Here, my friends, is Grace in Legend. As the Walk performs the Hussars. So too will the rumour of the approach of actors from the field strike fear and awe into the heart of the